In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Monday.com CRM. Exporting your data from Monday.com is useful for several reasons. It can help you create a backup of important information, review your records in Excel, share reports with other people, or prepare your data for use in another system. The good news is that the process is simple once you know where to look. To begin, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're signed in, open the board that contains the data you want to export. In this example, we're using the Leads board, but the same process works for other boards and types of data in your Monday.com account as well. After you're inside the board, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see the three-dot menu. Go ahead and click that menu to open More Board Options. This area gives you access to additional actions that aren't shown directly on the main board view. From the menu that appears, click on More Actions. This will expand the available options and take you one step closer to the export settings. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to scan the list carefully, since menu layouts can sometimes look slightly different depending on your workspace view. Next, click on Export Board to Excel. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a spreadsheet version of the board's data. Exporting to Excel is especially helpful if you want to sort, filter, analyze, or archive the information outside of Monday.com. You'll now see export options. One of them is the checkbox for updates. Tick this box if you want to include updates in your export. Updates are the conversations, notes, and activity comments attached to items on the board. Including them can be helpful if you need more context around each record, not just the main data fields. If you only need the core board information, you can leave that option unchecked. You may also see the option to send a copy to your email. This can be convenient if you want easy access to the exported file later, or if you'd like to keep a copy in your inbox for reference. It's a useful option, especially for larger exports or when you're working across multiple devices. Once you've chosen the options you want, click Export. Depending on how much data is in the board and whether updates are included, the export may take a little time to process. After that, the file will be automatically saved to your computer, and that's how to export data from Monday.com CRM. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.